You are now watching Nikki Sawyer's Kitchen. If you are new here, you can click like and subscribe and also click the notification bell besides there. So today's menu we have our crispy pata. So I will be teaching you on how to cook crispy pata. So first we should boil the pork leg part and then slice it. Okay, so add water and then we will add laurel or pepper and 1 sachet of leaves laurel and then mix it well. Boil it for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it's already boiled. You can also check the pork if it's already cooked and then strain it to remove the water. Okay, so this is our pork. Okay, so we will set aside that and then we will add half of oil and then we should marinate first the pork with the soy sauce. You need to massage it so that the seasoning will absorb on the pork. And then after that, we add vinegar, a little bit vinegar, and then massage it again. You can also use your spoon if you don't have a hand gloves, and then add magic sarap or bitchin or any seasonings available on your kitchen and then massage. Okay, so we add pepper powder, and then we add garlic, calamansi, a little bit salt, but guys, it is not necessary. If it is up to you. And then heat first the oil before you slowly put the pork. Be careful guys ha, kasi tumatalsik siya eh. Sobra kaya. Actually, yung video na to is zino-zoom lang namin kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng ano niya, yung impact ng oil niya. Hindi ko maintindihan eh. So, ito medyo naluto talaga siya na masyado eh. overcook kumbaga. But it's up to you naman kung i-overcook nyo, hindi. Parang yung kalalabasan tuloy nyo, parang naging chicharon siya kung kakainin siya. Pero masarap siya, promise. And then, ilalagay lang natin siya sa plate with tissue para yung oil niya is matanggal siya. Okay? And then, after 2 minutes, okay, so ito na yung ano natin, crispy pata. Then, we will set aside that first, and then, we will make sauce. Soy sauce. So, we need onion, tomato, calamansi, garlic, and soy sauce. First, we put the soy sauce. And next, the vinegar. We add onion. The tomato. The calamansi. And then mix it well. You can add also a little bit salt. It's up to you. Okay, so this is our SAWSAWAN. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe and click the notification